In this lesson, I'm going to show you how we can do the video editing project work using Canva. In our previous lessons, I shows you how we can use all those video editing features, including cropping, trimming, and color correction functions. Let me show you how we can do this video editing work, the project work in Canva. To do that, I choose create option. In that, I'm going to choose the video. I choose this landscape video. I already uploaded the project files which is required for creating this video. I go to the uploads. In uploads, I have the option called folder. In folder, I already have the 8 video files which is I require to create this video. Now, at first, what I need to do is I want to add one background. So to add the background, I want to choose that elements. You can see I have the elements here. In elements, I choose photos and no, not photos. I choose video and I want to choose the background. Now I press enter. So I have a lot of background values, videos here. Since it's a travel based vlog video, I want to choose one background according to that. So I can select something for it like this. So it's a 15-second video. You can see it was 15 seconds. It's playing and having all those moments. I do have this video. This looks good. So I was added here and I'm going to use this as a background of this entire clip. And if you want to increase the duration, you can either, adjust the speed or you can duplicate this. So I just select that, choose this duplicate option. So it will be, spread twice. Now I want to add the clips here. So I come to my frames. So in Canva, we have the option called frames. So with the help of frames, you can add a particular dimensional video frame or image frame. And within that, you can show the picture or video. So here in elements, you can see we have a lot of different category frames, grid, mockup, all those things will help us to create different presentations. Now I choose frames. In frames, I have see all. I click here and you can see we have a lot of geometrical shapes and different shapes. With this, I choose this very first one, rectangle. When I choose rectangle and I adjust here, I just resize it according to my need. So this is what I required. I can also set the stroke size for that particular frame. How do I want? And I can also select the color for the particular frame, what I required. So I was added all those things which is required for this video clip. Now I can add the video clip here. So I go to the projects, not projects, the uploads and the folder. And inside I choose this folders project category. You can see we have 8 files here. So it's a sample project. I was added only 8. So if you are doing the complete project, you can add all those video clips. First, you have to select the video clips and you can upload. You don't need to upload all the clips. Select the particular video clips first, then you can upload. Then you are going to use it for editing purpose. So here I'm going to start with this video. I just drag and drop inside this frame and I just play here. You can see it was playing. And after that, I want to add one more video clip. I trim this duration and right now I just give undo. I don't want to trim. I'll show you some other features what we have with Canva also. So I was added this clip first, you can see. And after adding that, I want to add next clip. So I'm going to use this clip. They came inside. So I just drag and drop here. But when I add it, it will be in a separate layer, right? I need it in a frame. So what I do here is I just select this clip. I press Ctrl D or Command D. So it will be duplicated. I can keep in a separate layer or in the same timeline track. It's up to you. So based on the need, you can place. Now I just delete this particular video clip from this, and this container I can add this clip. I just drag and drop here instead of directly click that, so it will be added here. The same way I just press Command D or Control D, duplicate it, and again I delete this. And before that I want to select this frame. I come to the positions, I set that into center of the particular view, and here also I select that, and I select the center, and here also I select it and make it center and middle. And here I choose this clip, I delete that, and here we want to add the next clip. So the third clip will be they are simply waiting in the area. This is what I want to add, and again I duplicate this. I want to add the fourth clip, so I delete that. The fourth clip will be they are coming here, so they are here. The fourth clip will be they are coming here, and they are in the platform. And okay, I want to change that from this. And before that I want to add this clip. They are sitting and in the platform, and they get to get other train. So then so then so then I want to add this here, and I delete this, and I want to add the next clip, which okay, I just deleted the wrong one, so I was to delete this, and I want to add this clip here. Now I need to duplicate this. I press Command D, and also duplicate this, and I place here, and I want to select that, and I want to delete the particular clip. So finally I want to add my next clip. It's the seventh clip, which is there inside the train. So after adding this, I want to add my next clip. Okay, so you can see that the first one will be there in outside, the second one will be there in inside, that they're checking station names. The third one, they are sitting inside, and the fourth one, they are started to move. The fifth one, still they are moving, and the sixth one, they are simply discussing about that train, that clip. And I want to duplicate again the seventh one, and with this I delete that clip. So here only they need to be inside the train. As I told you, I want to check that the position of their place, so I was adjusting that again. Make sure they are in the center. Then again I duplicate this background once again. Finally I press Ctrl D or Command D, and I'm going to add the last clip, which is after the travel or journey they are going back to the original place. So I open that again, and this will be the end of this video clip. So I was added all those 8 clips, and I just play from the beginning. You can see that it was playing from the beginning. I have the background video. That background video looks good, but there are not too much amount of movement, but still there is a change with the color, and the objects are moving. So this is good. This is enough, and the sequence of the arrangement is in the proper sequence, and we placed everything fine. And now finally we need to add the most important thing, which is the background music. So after adding the background music, it will be fine. So finally we are going to add the background music. So after adding the background music, it will be fine. So to do that, I come back to that uploads and audio, and I have a lot of audios here. So it has only 14 seconds and 31 seconds. So I want to add this audio track. I just drag and drop into this. Now I want to sync that video clips with the beat of this audio track. So how can we do that? We have the option here. That option will work after adding the audio track on our timeline only. See, after adding this audio track, I select the audio track, and at the top of that, the bar, you can see that we have the option called beat sync. I choose this option beat sync, and I enable this option. You can see only that people who have the business and pro accounts only can have the access. So if you have the pro account or the business account, you can use this option. It will automatically adjust all those clips according to the need. Otherwise we need to do it manually. So I want to adjust based on the beat sync. Let me show you how I'm going to do that. So at the beginning, so here what I'm going to do is I want to reduce that duration based on the beat, and here also I want to reduce based on the beat. I want to show two clips within that particular beat. I want to adjust little more. So I was doing, and whenever you are using the timeline, if you want to expand the timeline, you can just press hold the control or command and scroll so that you can expand the timeline, and it will help you to adjust and edit the work in an easy manner. So after adding that, I adjust here also. So again, I play from the beginning. So with this, yeah, that beat was completed. I want to add the next clip for the next beat, and I'm going to have the preview. And here I want to finish that, and I want to start that next beat from here. So again, I drag and attach here, and I want to play this. I want to finish it here. Then again, I just attach this clip with here, and I'm going to have the preview. And from this place, I want to start the next clip. So I was dragged and added. I'm going to play this. So after that, directly I want to add this clip. Okay, so it was finishing there. So I need to do another thing. So I adjust this, and I adjust this. And finally, based on the beat, I want to add the final clip. So this is how I want to add. I delete that segment, and here also I want to finish that with this. So let's have the preview now. Going to start that with the front. It has a total 28-second duration. So due to that, the network, it has some latency like appearance, but everything is fine here. And at the end, what I need to do is I need to add that fade for the music. So to do that, I come to the end, I click the three dots on the audio track, and I choose this option fade. So when I choose fade, I can mention fade in or fade out. I'm going to use only fade out, and I was adding fade out as I required. So I need only 1 second fade out and I was added now. And in the same way, we have the video clip. It has the options. If you want, you can use those effects here. You can see we have so many effects here. So if you want, you can go and use all those options. Otherwise, you don't need to use. So this is how we have, those features with Canva. You can simply add all those things and you can do the final work. And after completing all those works, you need to export that as a video. To export that, I come to the share at the top, and in the share, I choose this download button. And when I choose the download, it shows me that I'm going to download with this particular quality. So remember, when I created this work, that time itself I was chosen full HD. If you are a free user, you cannot upscale or downscale the particular video project. So you have to be aware of that and you need to continue the work. Finally, I just choose this option download. So it will be downloaded in a few seconds and you will have the final preview with the Canva. Then you can download the file. So let me show you after downloading that file. So the download process was started after that compilation process was completed, and you can see it was downloaded. Now I choose that file and I'm going to have the preview here. Let us see. Okay, so at the end, I can simply edit that segment also, because they are, they don't need to turn towards the camera. So I simply reduce that area and I can export again. So this is how we do the editing work and the video project work with Canva. We used multi-track video and we used audio tracks. All those things are now possible with Canva multi-track and multi-track editing works.